Here we go.
What is going on?
Chicken.
19. Look at that. 83.
Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
Look at it. It's so 80s. It's everything about the 80s.
I'm glad I've got this current version of Roberta. I don't really want a child in my life, you know.
But for my mother to keep this all this, she's only a mother.
Absolutely.
Roberta just went back to Detroit. He hadn't been there in 20 years, and he got that stuff from Detroit.
Oh,
So he put it in a nice big frame. Cool.
Oh,
And Bruce, if you look up here to the left, you'll see Brent.
Oh yeah, when we came to visit Brent. Right.
Brent, when we went, that was in 2008.
Brent for Innsbruck.
You know?
Yeah.
Right,
Yes.
right.
He's done well with his.
He's done very
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
Yes, very
And this was at my last birthday party. We went out. Yeah.
Cool.
Last birthday.
fantastic.
Yeah.
You got our birthday wishes.
I know. Now over here, back in 1990, I took a year off because I was having some knee problems.
Right.
So I decided my degree in college was journalism.
Right.
So I decided to publish a fashion magazine.
Yeah.
And this is it. Do you remember back in the 90s when the magazines used to be really big?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Interview and
Yes,
details.
yes, yes.
Well, this
Wow.
was it. It was
Yeah.
called You Magazine.
Oh, you okay?
And we only did 2 issues.
It's a little warm here.
But that's fine.
But
There it
isn't
is.
there it is.
Absolutely.
I mean, we had T-shirts and everything.
Fantastic.
And so this was, I'll have to show it to you, the actual, because I have the actual magazine. But the second magazine, we had Madonna on the cover. Because you know, Madonna is from Detroit.
Oh, okay.
And she was getting ready to start the Blonde Ambition tour.
Yes, yes.
So she was, and when she found out that both myself and my partner were from Detroit, she was all open to give us a photo shoot, and we interviewed her choreographer of the Blonde Ambition tour, and it was really quite exciting, So,
Fantastic.
and this is back when, let's see, this is we went and saw Patti LaBelle,
Yeah.
and went to a dinner. We have every single event we do, we have it framed.
Almost every event.
Almost everything.
Almost every event.
And this is when I made this. I had this guy make a Charlie the Clown cake.
For my
It's a
birthday.
surprise. It was a surprise
for me.
birthday party.
Oh.
Yeah, isn't that nice? And this
Let's move around a
is
little
us being very gay. This is our gay pride wall right here.
That's cool. That's cool, man.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
The boy is strutting his stuff.
All right. First, now we're gonna do a
We
detour.
had our scene in
Fantastic.
Yeah, we're gonna go do our detour.
We had a bit of a let go on girl
So this
It was
is
all
our
for the camera.
Now we're gonna do a detour to our master bedroom.
Okay.
Okay, please turn around.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Oh my God.
God, I thought I had a big impression.
Fantastic.
Oh, that
Got a big bed
guy.
if you feel like playing tennis, you know.
Yeah.
It's big
Where did you
enough.
guys get this from? It's
We
exquisite.
bought it with cash. We didn't buy anything on hire.
That wasn't a question. That wasn't a question.
We got it from the shop.
But is it, I mean, it looks like it's
But we
been
looked.
around. Is it? It's not brand new. Is it?
No.
Well, no, we bought it.
Yes,
brand
it's
new.
new.
Yeah,
It's new.
but we looked around and we looked
Looks like
around
it's
and we
been
looked because we
around
knew what we
forever.
wanted.
Okay.
We knew what we wanted,
Yeah.
and it took a lot because it came in cardboard boxes. I had to put it all together.
Yeah.
You know, I had to put it all together.
That's
Right.
And I was, you know, it took a whole day just to take it out of the boxes and put it all together. And then, of course, when I got the base all assembled, it was assembled wrong. I had to take it apart and put it back. Anyway, eventually we got there, and the mattress came all wrapped up. And when you took the wrapping off, it almost like exploded. It was completely all the air was sucked out.
It's fantastic.
And then when we moved in here, we thought, well, we need a TV. So I climbed up in the roof and dropped a plug down to the wall over there, and then we bought this big TV to put up. You see this big TV here?
Cool.
Oh, right.
So you can lie in bed and watch a flat screen TV in bed.
With the remote control.
Very cool. Which is really nice.
Fantastic.
Reminds me of Blenheim, which we visited, where Winston Churchill was
We went to
born
Blenheim the other day.
by mistake. His mother had gone out round on horseback,
Uh-huh.
and suddenly
Her water broke.
her water broke, so she had to go back and she suddenly produced the baby on the vicar the vicar's bed, I think it was.
It was a much smaller bed,
So
Dad. It was
so
a
the
much
moral of
smaller
that
bed,
story
actually.
is
That we had
all pregnant women don't.
Demonstrate.
Don't smoke cigars.
Ride horses.
you'll be proud of me because I learned some things from my father. I learned how to make stuff. And when we came in here, there was just a shelf here. And went across it. So I took part of the shelf, cut it out, bought these baskets, joined 2 sets together.
Oh,
so
yeah?
we've got the, and this is what you have in your house.
I have,
your old house, Gambonia Road.
Yeah.
And then I built this shelving for shoes. And put it in, you know, so it's all
very
built in. So we've got shoes in
Isn't that
there.
wonderful?
I've got these in my bedroom
You've got- yeah.
where I live now.
Yeah, oh, you do? Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good, because you had them in
I really
Gambonia
like
Road,
it.
and I know you really liked them in Gambonia Road.
Yeah.
So you managed to I got inspired by you with these baskets, because when I saw your baskets, I thought that's such a good thing to have.
Yes.
So, and I put them in this room and in the other room, so
Yeah.
they're in both bedrooms. Which and we
all right.
decided to just take the doors off, because,
Right.
you know, who needs doors?
Who needs doors? All right, Shelley, you got to read this one. Okay.
Okay. That's my Charlie, Charles Ross Strawn. That his Christian name.
It's what?
To most, he prefers Charlie.
Yeah.
To me, he's my Charlie Bone.
That was-
C-Bone is my partner, my friend, my...
And Charlie, the little blonde Charlie is like.
But I look,
This is when
I look much better as a ballerina.
If we were ballerina, I was a ballerina, so that was me as a young ballerina, and that's Charlie as a young ballerina.
So you can see we have a lot of pictures.
So over here, we
Dad, do you wanna
have.
use
This
the
is
re-
when
bathroom?
I was.
Let me take
This is when I was
Ricardo, I'm
in.
taking Dad to the bathroom, okay? Because he needs to use it.
Okay, okay, go ahead, go ahead.
You want to use this one over here?
Yes.
Yeah, this is I was performing in the Nutcracker, 1990.
Good.
Wow.
Look at that. It's a nice shot as well.
Yeah, it's a great shot. Great shot. She was with the American Ballet Company,
Okay.
and I was dancing with Alvin Ailey, and so we were
Wow.
guest artists.
Okay.
And this is when we went to they did an article on us when we went to a fundraiser about gay rights.
Right. So that's a
And
fantastic
they actually took a
photograph.
picture of us, but it was amazing that it actually showed up on the paper. We were very lucky. There were thousands of people there.
Oh.
100 people there.
That
They
one,
chose
it's a
us.
great
They
shot.
chose us, you know.
Right,
But
right.
which I thought was very nice, you know.
Absolutely.
and this is
It speaks volumes
Right.
of what you're there for.
exactly.
You know, that's the saying that Ricardo uses all the time. Speaks volumes.
Volumes,
You
yeah.
guys seem to have a lot in common.
Oh.
Now this picture right here was the first our first date. Right
You know,
here. Yeah.
it was actually, I was still in very early recovery, but I'd actually bounced back. That's the picture
And
that
that
I
one
used.
there?
And that was it. That was like maybe 2 years later.
Look how
We're-
long your hair is there. Ricardo.
Yeah,
It's divine.
yeah.
I used that
actually.
picture as my recovery picture.
Uh-huh.
Because I've shown you guys this one before, but you can see that's the picture I used.